So welcome back. So in this training, I'll be telling us how to onboard our staff to the platform. So the first thing to do when you have your platform is to, as an administrator, you make sure you onboard your staff. So just come to the staff management section here. So you can see staff and their classes. Then you can see staff and their subjects. So let me just go to class. So I go to class section. So as you can see, these are already registered teachers and subject teachers, class teachers. So if you want to add new staff, you can see this icon here, this at the top by your right hand. So just click on the button add staff. So when you have so it's similar to how to onboard students. If you have watched the video on how to onboard students, you quickly grab how to onboard um, the what's it called, the staff. So as usual, I will click on choose file to upload picture. Let me just pick a random picture. Um, let me pick a random picture. Let me pick. So I've picked a picture. Then you select, you put a username for your teacher. You can just use their first name. So let me just use Khalid as the first name. The password, you can just use Khalid as well so that they won't keep forgetting their password. So the first name is Khalid. So okay, the full name rather, Khalid Sheung. So date of birth, let me just put, you put the teacher's date of birth, then the role. Okay, if it is class teacher, you put class teacher. If it is if it is subject teacher, you put subject teacher. So we have two type of teacher. We have the class teacher, we have the subject teacher. So let me just select class teacher. So then Nigeria as country, state, let me just put Bauchi. So then you put in the local government, the sex, so male, so address. So let me just put address of the teacher, the phone number of the teacher. So you put the phone number of the teacher, the staff, the email. So sheung@gmail.com. So then you click on register button. So to automatically register the teacher, can you see? It says staff registration successful. So it is that simple. It is not something that is tedious. So that is just the work of the super admin or the admin, anyone that is given the permission to create staff, to onboard staff. So if I want to assign staff to subjects, I've already created staff, honestly. So let me just check the staff I just created. Let me go to, so this is it, number 33, Khalid is the username, Khalid Shion. So let me go to staff and their classes. So if I want to assign this staff I just created, if I want to assign this staff I just created to the class, so I'll just select the staff from the staff list. So like, I'll look for calculation. The class. So this is the staff. I'll select the class I want to assign the teacher this teacher to. Let me just select the first class, grade 1, campus 2. So I'll select the term, which is first term. Then I will save. So now, as you can see, this teacher has been assigned to what's it called? Grade 1, campus 2. So this teacher can log in to his portal, and you will see that he has been assigned to this particular class. Okay, how to assign teachers to subjects. So this particular teachers now is a class teacher. So you can also assign teachers to subjects. So by going to staff management, staff and subject. Okay, so I'll come over here, look for a teacher that is a let me just select a staff that I want to assign. Let me select the staff that I want to assign to. Okay, let me just select. Let's say I want to assign this teacher to coming. Let me just select a random teacher. Then I will look for the class. Okay, let me just use this. Let me use this class. So then I'll look for the subject I want to assign. Maybe this teacher is a agricultural science teacher. So just select the subject, select the term. first time, then save. Okay, as you can see, Joseph, the response says this teacher assigned to subject agricultural science grade. So then okay. So that's how to assign teachers to subject and their classes. Okay. So is that simple? It's not something that is tedious. So if this teacher log into a portal, is going to be seeing that he has been made a subject teacher to handle agricultural science. So this teacher can log in, and if there's anything that relates to agricultural science, they can upload results on agricultural science. They can manage anything that has to do with agricultural science, even if he's not the class teacher of that class. So that's that on class, and that's that on staff onboarding of staff, and assigning teachers to class, assigning teachers to subject. Thank you very much. In our next video, I'll be talking on how to create class. Thank you very much and welcome.